Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So today I have the Adidas Yeezy 700 V3 clay brown. I know I'm making this video a bit late because this shoes was released on 21st of December 2020 and it was delivered the next day on 22nd, but I accidentally gave them my old address and I live a bit far away from that address, so because of that I only managed to get them yesterday. So anyway, without wasting time, let's open them.
Yeah, high school was hard. You fight with my mom. I fall asleep to the screen. Sound machine always speaking. Left emotional scars. Now I'm 21. A soul of 50. And now that you are gone, I'm doing things that I shouldn't know from. I'm doing things that I shouldn't do. At 21.
It's an extra pair of lace.
Yeah, I play you my favorite songs on a car ride while you list me all the people that left you in your life. Oh. And you smoke on your chair while I was trying to sleep. I smell the smoke in the air, but that was normal for me. I didn't know. I didn't know. But now I'm 21. A soul of 50 years. And now that you are gone, I'm doing things that I shouldn't know from. I'm doing things that.
So guys, this is the newest colorway of the Yeezy 700 V3, and as I said earlier, this was released on 21st of December 2020. The retail price of this shoes is £170 and the resale is not really that high. You can get them on around like £180 to £200. As you can see, this has the futuristic look, same as the other V3 models. Plus, this shoe looks almost the same as the 700 V3 Alvah or black. The only differences are that the Alvah one has grey color here. As you can see, this one has more clay brownish, and the midsole, the 700 V3 Alvah has black, and this one has a more brownish. And at the bottom, if I remember correctly, the Alvah one has I think green, and this one has dark blue, and yeah, they look pretty much the same, and they have these two part glowing here. So if you want the Yeezy 700 V3 Alvah, instead you can get these because these are almost £100 cheaper than that, and they look pretty much the same. Also, this one has the this part, they glow at night when you put the light on them. So let me show you. I don't have a torch, so I'm gonna use that light. So basically I'm gonna put it on underneath the light and leave it like this for a few seconds. And they glow like this. So let's try this side. They glow like this. Yeah. So yeah, that was the glowing thing. So let's try these bad boys on fit. Oh yeah, the sole looks like this. Nothing really special about it.
That's 21. That's 21. Whoa. I'm 21.
Alright guys, that's it for today. If you have any question, feel free to ask me in the comment section, and if you like my video, please like, share, comment, and please do subscribe my channel. And thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Thank you. Bye bye.